Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nira, and in today's video, we will talk about a real-time voice changer. I am right now in front of you. When I speak, the words I just said will be heard in this anime character's voice. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will talk about AI voice changers and early AI tools. So, this is the tool with a voice changer, and these are its features. First, I will give you an overview, then I will show you how to install it on your local system, and if you want to use it, then how you can use Google Colab. Okay, so I had shown you in the demo how to install it here. Some characters come here, and if you have an anime character, or if you have, there are some models. You can train your own voice or use someone else's voice, like Arjit Singh, and many voice models are available online. Here, I show you Hugging Face. Here, you can search or find whatever name you want. If you find it by that name, then download that model. It's okay. Just like I see Arjit Singh here, I have kept more models. When I select a model of Arjit Singh here, I click on it, and here is a .zip file, around 200 megabytes. It's okay to download. After downloading, as I told in the last video, what do? I create this folder. I have not covered this in this video, so you must watch the previous video. In that video, I explained how to put the model. Here, I have applied this application in this person. So, you can also put the model inside this tool. Click on Edit, and here you will get some models, and you will get it already. What you saw in the demo, the anime character's voice is the same. I have also added Adam's voice here. If you want to add more voices, you can do that. As you have downloaded from here, some models have been backed up from here. I go back to download here. You will see the name here. Whatever celebrity or actor you are looking for, if they are available here, you will get their voice model. Or you can go to Google. Almost all the pre-trained models are available. Okay, download it. You will get two files inside it. One is a .pth file, and one is an index file. So as I click on upload, and here you have to select RVC. Okay. And then, there is a model file, and an index file. The model file is like the one I have here in my folder, which is not it. Inside it, there are files with .pth, so I select the .pth file. I select the .pth file and the index file in this tool. I do it from here. In the tool, Ethan's voice has been applied here. Then, you have to click on Upload. If you haven't seen this video, you won't understand what I did here in that tool. Here, this one has become selected, and then here you can select it again in the real-time voice changer. You can use Ethan's voice. Just like now, I have selected Ethan here, and now when I start speaking, whatever I say, Ethan will say it. Okay? Then I also say, hello everyone, and start. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I try to listen to the voice to check if the voice output is coming or not. Hello everyone. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. Like Arjit Singh, I will select here, so I will show you how Arjit Singh's voice sounds. The person who is the voice of Ethan sounds a little bit like this. So, I click here on select and start. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Bij out here, bij out here. Let me stop it. It sounds like you will select the anime characters here. They are the best sounds. They're lively. The basic models are made for them only. If you want someone else's voice, then you can upload that voice here. You can upload a pre-trained model or download it from here. You can work as a voice changer here. And here, you can follow these settings. If you have a good GPU, like a graphics card, then real-time voice changing will work smoothly. Also, the internet, etc. should be good. Now, let's see how you can install it on your local system. You will find the link below. You have to come to this link, or if it is not GitHub. And this second link will take you to Hugging Face's site, and here you will have to download it. Download is okay. It's at the bottom of the 3-point subscribers. Then download it, and here, as I downloaded it here. Okay, I download this. Then extract it. After that, some folder will come in front of you. There is no more installation in it. Come down again. And there, you will get one file, start_http.bat. You have to double click it. Then, some files will be downloaded. After that, something like this will come in front of you, and then it will open in front of you. There is not much to it. If your GPU is slow, real-time voice changing won't work here. What to do? You can also use Google Colab. Here, you will get a link to the direct Google Colab. You have to click on it, and here you will get its link. Okay, I come here and here. I have opened Google Colab. I copy it, I open the link, and here I open it. One GPU is already assigned here. After that, I come here, I click on connect here first, and here you have to keep the runtime as GPU. They are connected, and then start installing it. Here, you have to be connected. Now, you have to click on this one, click on Run All. Okay, and in this, you will also need Hugging Face tokens. So what do you have to do for it? You have to type Hugging Face here, and go to its site to create an account. I come here, I see it again, and here you sign up. I sign up with Gmail here. Or I think my account is already made. So, I try signing up first. Okay, my account is already made on this. So, I open here. After that, come to your token, and you have to copy this token. After this message, what do you have to do? Copy it from here and paste it here. Then, click on Start here. Okay, click on Continue. Shortly after starting here, you will find one here. If you don't see it here, then what do you have to do? Click on Cloud Age and click on Endpoint. Then, here, you will get the URL. If you get this URL in the end here, then I click here on it. If I click on it, then that app will open here. Okay, let it open here. Click on Visit Website. And here, your voice changer is opened. Okay, I click on Bonfire, I click on Start, and here, let it take a little loading. It is the models that come in this by default, or you can upload your own here. I select an anime character here. In the settings, I do what I had done here, and I do the select here. And I can clear the settings from the end, and here it comes again. What is input audio? So here are these inputs. This is my OK, and output. Headphone, OK. Let's do it on this, and then make it the index file for me. Meaning, you can do it clearly. You can do it. Okay, I do not do it. I do the same type of setting here and here. Let me see here. I would have done so much. Okay, and I do it. What do I do after doing save settings? I click on Start. Now, I check whether the voice is coming here or not. If I have selected this person here for output, so the output is coming in it. I wait here. I change the output here. Hello, not your NVIDIA speaker. Hello. Because I put on an earphone, I am getting the voice in it. Or do I do here what I have a record option? So, I can show you the voice by recording. Okay, I am just starting the recording. Look here. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my Sailor Mail. Then I stop it. So as I stop, this file has been downloaded. Then I tell you, you will see the output that I am coming here, or what I am not getting or not coming in it. Then I tell you this. Something like this is happening here. Okay. I do it right now. Stop. Okay, so you can use a laptop or Google. You can also download it on your PC. I have shown you the demo, and these are the settings that are. You can follow that, or if you can do it less, then more videos will come. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the video.